Alright, here we go with the repair job on this 9.5 horsepower. This motor is for Allen in Houston. It's a 1966 9.5, had a leaking gear case, and changed the rope, put a new starter rope, put a cover on the carburetor, and I found the leaking gear case to be the drive shaft was bent, wobbling around in the top seal. So I changed the drive shaft, changed the top seal, and it runs pretty good in the barrel. All looks good. When I checked it, I'm gonna take it out on the lake and run it. See how she does on the Missy boat here. But she runs real good in the barrel. Let's check it out. Cajun rig here, a lawnmower hooked to the Missy boat. I'm gonna take the 9.5 out on the lake for a run and see how she does. Here we go. All right, well, video kind of got cut short in the barrel, but it ran great in the barrel. I got her out here on the lake right now, and I've been running her, and she runs great. Pushes my Missy boat, 14-foot feathercraft, about 16 miles an hour. Awesome. So let's give her a start and see how she runs. Left-handed pull. She runs great. That was good. Let's check reverse. Yeah, reverse runs good. Idle's good. I think she's good to go. I'm going to take her in and look at the gear oil, make sure it's not milky, make sure that the gear case, the pressure tested good, and I changed the upper seal and the drive shaft. So I just want to make sure that the gear oil looks good, and then she'll be ready for Alan to come get. Let's take her on in. Leaking top seal. The seal right under the center. Enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I make at least one video every week, and then go ahead and hit the like button and join the Team Mike fraternity. So if you're this first time watching one of my videos, I have over 350 videos of everything you need to know about repair, maintaining, and restoring your vintage outboard motors. I specialize in Johnson & Evinrude's 3 horsepower to 20 horsepower, 1950s, 60s, and 70s. So as I said, I have every video you need to know on how to work on these motors. And if I don't have one, I want you to let me know. Just hit in the comments on one of the videos and tell me what video I need to make, and I'll make it for you. I've also got every part you need to work on these motors. I have an eBay store. You can get to my eBay store by Googling Team Mike Vintage Outboards, or click on the link down below in the description. I have over 2,000 parts in my eBay store. I sell all the hardware. I sell all the kits, spark wires, ignition, magneto components, points, coils, condensers, gear case, seals, everything. I even have some printed 3D printed plastic handle grips and other parts for you. So I have all the videos and I have all the parts you need. I also now am providing parts manuals. So I have over 150 hard copy parts manuals, 1923 to 1958. So you can get your parts manuals from me too. So this is my passion. My goal was to have every video, every part, and every parts manual that you need. And if I don't have what you need, let me know. You can always call me for technical assistance too. My number is 337-278-5429. Give me a shout out. I love text messaging. I'll try to help you and answer your question. So I enjoy what I do. I hope you're having as much fun as I am working on these motors. And remember, always remember and never forget, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See you next video.